August the 22nd, Julius learned how to use the slide on his own.
It's the 23rd.
Julius, crawl up, don't try to
Carol's
walk up.
birthday tomorrow, I mustn't forget to ring her.
Izzy, stop pulling.
Okay.
Watch what you doing, Baba. 2 hands, please. Good boy, look at you.
Good boy.
Are you going to go down the slide? Yes! Yes! Yay! What a good boy! You have to go back up the stairs, Baba.
Why don't you get off the end? No, you.
Good boy.
Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Look at it, Susan.
Very cute, isn't he?
Bob's up to the steps.
How cute is that?
Come on, good boy.
Go up on your knees, darling. You're a bit little still. Good boy. 2 hands. Good boy.
He definitely needs a new hat.
Yeah.
That
Yay!
was a good one.
That was a good one. What a good boy. Look at you. I see. You're in a hurry, are we? A bit little to walk up the stairs, darling.
Yeah, but he's worked that out himself.
Yeah, go head first down the
He's
stairs.
worked it out. He can do the front step standing up. Ready? Go!
Oh, what a good ball. Nearly on your nose.